Eto, istina.
Why is it so hot?
Friendly like flirt back. That's not my problem because it's a friendly flirt back.
Yeah, he was like, alright. Sorry, I just sneezed. Each other to this day and oh my god.
Before we leave the store, I just have to point out that there's... One second.
I don't know if it's being in the valley or what, but I've sneezed like 100 times. Did you have fun?
Yeah.
So my parents are taking Becky back. She's gonna spend the night with them, and then me and Trust are just gonna spend one more night here. I hate, this is the only thing I hate about spring is my allergies.
I didn't really notice you had bad allergies.
Remember that one time at, whose wedding was it? It was that outdoor wedding.
Cher et le chat. Mais il faisait très très froid parce que...
I need to sneeze. Ugh, this smells exactly like the... Oh, I never sneeze coming.
Tomorrow... Jeez. Being in my house makes me so sick because we have tiled floors like everywhere around the house except for obviously in my room, and guys, oh my goodness, weather's trash, so I'm like so I'm kind of wondering if it's even worth.
Baby frog is funny.
Hoping that because I did less stitches, woo! These two balls will make it through my entire sweater. I'm a little, like, I'm excited, I'm terrified. Good God. Good sneeze. Bless you! Yeah. No! Oh my God! Did you say salvia? It does say salvia.
Ai, tô ruim. E esse aqui? Eita, álcool. E esse aqui também. E os dois estão. Que é papel visa. Da marca Muriel. Não. E esse aqui também. Ai!
I'm scared. I'm not gonna stop sneezing now.
So wow, you do sneeze for 4 hours.
Anthony, can you bring me some tissues?
What? I don't remember what the reverse sound sounded
And if you
like.
take that one out? So I'm not too sure I'm going to sneeze.
Oh my God.
If I even just like look at the sun, I'll sneeze.
I need to sneeze.
Why am I always sneezing in videos? Oh my god. Send help.